Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you deep into the heart of Germany, where ancient forests whisper old stories and forgotten buildings hide secrets of the past. If you love travel, exploration and discovering new places, then you are in the right place. Stay with me till the end because I am about to show you one of the most breathtaking spots I have ever seen here. It's really quiet, peaceful, untouched. Some places you don't just see, you feel. This scenery looks like it's a straight out of a fairy tale. Nature here is not just beautiful, it's powerful. A moment of calm in a world that rarely stops. Every trail here feels like it leads to another story. These abandoned buildings hold echoes of stories. Nothing ends an adventure better than this. Stick with me, there is so much more to explore, and I can't wait to take you along on every new adventure.